Frequent toilet backups usually trace back to a few fixable causes that show up again and again. Start by checking flush performance. Older plumbing and worn internal parts reduce water volume and siphon power, so replace a tired flapper, adjust chain length to allow a full lift, and verify the tank water line is at the marked fill level. If you have a low-flow toilet that misbehaves, swap in a high-quality flapper and a pressure-assisted or larger trapway model, and hold the handle a beat longer to ensure a full release. Listen for slow tank refill, which points to a partially closed supply valve or a clogged fill valve. Open the valve fully and clean or replace the fill valve if needed. Rule out hidden obstructions by running a closet auger through the trap once or twice. It reaches farther than a standard plunger and can hook wipes, small toys, or sanitary products. If backups persist beyond the toilet, test other fixtures. Gurgling sinks or tubs signal a downstream waistline restriction, so hydrojetting or sectional cabling may be required. 3 common missteps keep problems going. People rely only on plunging, which can leave a wad lodged farther down. Follow a good plunge with a closet auger pass to clear the trap and the first few feet of the line. Folks often ignore roof venting. A blocked vent reduces airflow and weakens the siphon, so safely check the roof cap for leaves or nests and run a garden hose down the vent to confirm it drains freely. Many underestimate buildup in the waistline from grease, scale, or paper. Instead of harsh chemicals that can damage seals, schedule a camera inspection and request enzyme maintenance or professional jetting to restore full diameter. We built bighomeprojects.com to make it easy for homeowners to find local plumbing pros for stubborn toilet backups and for contractors to connect with nearby jobs. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and pros share fixes, maintenance routines, and real-world solutions for recurring bathroom issues.